Welcome to our 91.3 office. It's very messy.
Like my new Fredberry bag?
Fake one.
No lah.
Real,
Hey,
really.
feel the love, feel the love.
Feel the love. What's
Not bad,
real
ah?
leather? Huh?
Wow.
Not bad. Matching
You
with
like it?
yeah, matches your t-shirt and all.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, can you lend me your hand sanitizer?
For what?
I need to clean myself.
Okay, this is how Adam cleans his headphones.
It's a very delicate process.
I don't think people. I really don't know about this.
So you apply maybe 4 spots, 2, 3.
Probably the only person in the world who does this.
Okay. So done that, you can rub it.
Oh, like your hands.
Yeah, totally. Okay, and after you leave it to dry, you can blow. So you evaporate is hand sanitizer.
You're weird, dude.
Hey, help me blow, can?